Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I've decided before I do any more projects in my yard, I need to focus on getting the weed problem taken care of. I've got weeds everywhere in my flower beds and I really need to get on top of that so I don't have an even bigger problem later. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through all of my flower beds today and get all the weeds taken care of. And then if I got time, I've got some more vegetable plants that I need to put in my garden. But let me turn the camera around and kind of show you what I'm going to be dealing with today. All right, so I showed this area, I believe, in my last video. And as you can see, the weeds are pretty horrible. I still haven't had a chance to get out here since I've been back from vacation to get this taken care of. So that's what I'm going to focus on today, is get these weeds taken care of in this area. And then I've got all that flower bed over there to do. And then I've got a little bit to do in this flower bed and then the wooded flower bed up there. So I just wanted to bring you all along as I get this done, and then I'll get started on planting the vegetables in the garden area. Okay, so it's the next day and I had my camera set up as I was weeding and it died, and I just decided to keep on going. If I stopped weeding, I would probably go inside and be done for the day, so I decided just to get it done and come back out here today and finish it up. As you can see, I've still got more work to do back here in the back part of the garden. Still got some stumps that I've got to get out of there, and rocks, and some more grass and weeds that I've got to get out. But this front part over here I've got completely done. To give you an update on the cabbage, not doing too good. I noticed that there were caterpillars on these and they are just eating them all up. There are a couple, like this one over here, that are doing okay. And then this one, it's got a little bit of damage on it, but not horrible. Not like these over here. But I'm just gonna leave them in there, and hopefully the caterpillars will just stay on these plants and I won't have a problem anywhere else. But I'll keep a close eye on it just in case. But what I'm gonna be doing is, I have all the tomato plants planted over here on this side, and I went and got a couple of different varieties. I got a Cherokee Purple tomato plant and a Celebrity tomato plant. And I'm gonna plant them over here on the side. I had as you can see right there, I have 3 of the beefsteak tomatoes. And I had a 4th one over here, but I think one of my dogs pulled it up out of the ground. So I'm just gonna put the Cherokee Purple there, and then over to the side put the Celebrity tomato plant. But everything's doing really good so far. The tomato plants have grown a little bit. The jalapeno plants are staying kind of on the small side so far. So I don't know exactly what they're gonna do, but we'll see. And then I have a banana pepper on there that's ready to come off. I'll probably take that off today. And then my okra plant, it's grown as well. I have a couple more okra plants that I'm gonna put in over here where Rocky is laying. And then I have a zucchini plant as well. Again, it's pretty late in the season, so I don't know how these are gonna do, but I'd rather get them in the ground, see what happens, just in case. Alright, I got everything planted up and everything's looking good. I went ahead and staked up the okra plants with the bamboo stakes that I got for the hydrangeas. It's supposed to storm tonight, and there's already been reports of 60-mile-an-hour winds, and with these being so tall, I didn't want to chance them blowing over. So I went ahead and staked them up, and then I put the tomato cages around the new tomato plants as well. So now that I've got this area done, I wanted to take you over to this specific area over here and just ignore those raised beds. Those are not staying there. This area back here, I've made decisions on what I wanted to do and then have changed them several times. But I think, and I'm hearing thunder, so I need to hurry this up. I think what I'm gonna do is I was gonna cut these trees down and put the vegetable garden back here, but I'm really glad I decided against that because I really like the trees in this area and how it looks. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start with this flower bed over here. This one along this fence line. And then I'm gonna curve it around, oops, sorry. And then I'm gonna curve it around these trees. And then go back in through here and go along this fence line and come out around these trees and then swing it around and do a flower bed around these trees as well. There's gonna be a privacy fence that comes off of this building, off the front of the building, and it's gonna go all the way down to the fence line. And back there is just where I'm gonna store like extra wood and bricks and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna do a flower bed that goes from all the way over here, swings around, and comes all the way through here and around this grouping of trees around here. Some of this area over here gets full shade, some of it gets part shade, and some of it gets sun for the most of the day. Right now it's in the evening, so pretty much all of it's shaded, but a lot of this area has full sun for most of the day. So I'll really be able to plant a whole lot of different things in this area, and that's what I'm excited about. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.